Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some flowers that I've ordered from Aliexpress. They came in this packaging, as you can see, and I ordered them from 2 different dealers. The first batch here came a little bit smashed, but it's paper flowers, so you can expect a little bit of smashed flowers when you order them, because they're paper flowers. So all I did was make sure that I played with them a little bit, gave them some tender love and care, and got them back looking just as good as new. They came with the stem and green leaves at the bottom. So I think they're just the cutest. And by the time you buy the paper, color them, and do them yourself, you could been and ordered these at a great price. They're very inexpensive. They're only 21 cents for 6 flowers, 21 cents per color. And so I think that was a great deal. I mean, only 21 cents for 6 flowers. That's a great deal. And so I picked up a couple of colors here. So these are all the colors that I purchased. And with 21 cents, you can't beat that. They're great to add to any of your crafting projects. So these are cute. The other ones I purchased were some roses here. And I think they're just the cutest. I mean, they're just cute. And they're foam, so you don't have to worry about them losing their shape or anything during shipping or gift giving or whatever. I mean, they're just perfect to add to any craft project that you would like, whether it's a gift you want to add it to, scrapbooking pages, cards, whatever have you. And these were very inexpensive. I mean, you get 12 per color, so you get 12 flowers for only 18 cents. I mean, you can't beat that. By the time you went and bought the material yourself and decorate them or whatever, by the time you bought the material, you would have been paid more for the material than just ordering them on AliExpress. So that was great. I really think that was a great deal. 18 cents, you can't beat that. I mean, that's it. At least that's how much I paid for them. So I'm gonna leave the link below to where you can go purchase these flowers if you would like them. I'm gonna leave the link to them below. This is not a promo or whatever. It's just something that I wanted to share. So that was these flowers. I'm gonna be sharing other little crafts items or purchases that I pick up from AliExpress on this channel as well. So make sure you stay tuned. The other thing I wanted to talk about is I'm going to be giving a giveaway here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I like to do little giveaways. I think it's fun. I'm going to do like a little lottery thing and announce the winner that way. Also, I'm going to be doing a Prima giveaway, like Prima stamps and flowers or whatever have you. I'm going to be doing that giveaway on another channel that I had called Gifts in the Garden. That's GIFTS in the Garden, GARDEN. I'm gonna leave the link to that below as well. That's my new channel. That channel I'm gonna be doing only craft projects on, like cards and scrapbooking pages and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be doing only crafts on that channel. So make sure you go and subscribe there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to be sharing a lot more. So make sure you stay tuned, and thanks for watching. I hope you have a great week. Thanks and bye for now.